As you saw, I was just kind of showing you guys a part of my first wake up morning routine. Obviously I left out a ton of things, like how I always brush my teeth immediately, wash my face, like change clothes, like all those things. So it wasn't like a full step by step, but I am already I'm already in the car, as you can see, because I want to go ahead and run my errands. So the first place I want to go to is the at-home store. I know this is not the best angle, so I'm really sorry. But that was my first return. I got everything taken care of from the at-home store. The next return is Kohl's, Hobby Lobby, and I think I'm gonna pass on Hobby Lobby because it's those ornaments and I think I might keep them. So I think we'll bypass that, but I do want to go to Home Goods because I want to look at their wrapping paper this year. Alright, I simply could not vlog in there. It was absolutely nuts. I think I still got some random clip of me in the line waiting to check out, but there were just people everywhere, you know, and it was just, yeah. So anyways, I will do a haul for you guys when I get back. So the next stop, it's hot here. The next stop is Kohl's, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and head home, and I'll do Walmart another day. Alright, so I made it back home. I changed because I needed to take care of the lawn, so I got it all mowed, and now I'm just going to sit down and show you guys what I picked up from Home Goods. I did decide to keep these ornaments from Hobby Lobby. I need to add more red ornaments to the tree anyway. So I just to recap, at home got done. I returned the Amazon. I just have Walmart left to return, and I'm keeping the Hobby Lobby. Okay, I went into Home Goods, and like I mentioned, I went in to get wrapping paper. I actually did not find any wrapping paper that I liked, so I think I'm gonna go to like a TJ Maxx. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow when I go to Walmart. So, but while I was at Home Goods, I found a ton of cute stuff. It's kind of like random, and I love like random hauls. So I'll show you guys what I got. And I'm already buying for Loxie's Christmas, but she's upstairs, so I'm gonna do this quickly. She's gonna come and grab this. The prices were so good. This was $5.99 for this cute little toy. I also got her this giraffe, which was also, oh no, this one was $6.99. But he's really cute. He's got long legs, and Loxie needs new toys, so I got those. And then I got her one of these. I normally don't get Loxie toys like these because I've noticed she doesn't always play with them. She prefers the stuffed animals, but when she wants me to play with her, she likes the tugging game. Like, she absolutely loves it. She knows when she wins and she knows when I win, and it's the cutest thing. Like, I'll have to film it sometimes so you guys can see it. But I just decided to switch things up. Maybe she'll like this one, and it was $3.99. And then I like the Christmassy look to that. So those are for her. Did I get her anything else? I don't know, we'll find out. Then in the checkout aisle, which I love at Home Goods, there's so much stuff to look at. I found these cute napkins with the candy corn, and most of you probably already know this is going to be my Halloween theme next year. So I just picked up one. It was $1.99. You know, I think they'll just be like decorative. So I just picked one of those up. And then on my list, or in my notes on my iPhone, I keep a list of what I need for like certain areas of the house, and I had written a few things that I needed for the guest bathroom, which nobody will see that in a video until the full Christmas house tour. So I got this towel set. It is redone and it's so cute. It's a little 2-set, just says Mary, and I absolutely love it. This is gonna go in my upstairs media bathroom, which will also be in the Christmas house tour video, which hasn't been filmed yet. I think we're a few weeks out. I'm probably gonna film that in December. So, so there's, you know, little spaces, little things I still have to do, have yet to be done for Christmas. And then I found these kitchen towels for the actual kitchen, and they didn't have a holiday tag or anything. It's just by KitchenAid, but they just said gingerbread to me because these are my gingerbread colors. And I really needed some Christmas towels. I didn't have any. So I got those. And then I found the coolest game, or I'm hoping it's the coolest game. And it's this. It's called Escape from Holborn Hall. I've never heard of this. Have you heard of this game? It was $12.99, and it's basically kind of like a Clue, but not at the same time. Here's all the stuff that you get inside this game, but it looked really interesting, and this is gonna be a Christmas present for probably just for me and my daughter, and then we'll put it, you know, in the game room or the media room closet. Also, there is an organization video of that media closet if you want to check it out. I'll try to find it and link it down below. Then I found these chips. It's so funny, but like HomeGoods has so much food, so many wonderful things to look at, and I get completely overwhelmed and I just leave. I don't know why I shop like that, but this one I just picked up because I was next to this section of mugs, and this lady was looking at the mugs, so I was just like patiently waiting so that I, you know, could wait for her to go and then I could look at the mugs. And in the process, I found these and I thought, I don't know, let me try them. Fire roasted garlic and onion. I'm gonna try it right now. Wow. Really good, really garlicky. If you grill out some burgers or whatever, these might be really good with that. Also on my notes that I mentioned, I've been needing to get this for a while and finally just got it, and it is just the hand soap set. So originally I had seen soaps and lotions at Hobby Lobby every time I was going to get Christmas decor, but I kept telling myself in the back of my head that I knew that places like HomeGoods or TJ Maxx has like really cute sets together, so I kept pushing it off until I got to one of those stores, went there, and voila, so cute. And this was only $6.99, so it ended up being cheaper than if I would have bought from Hobby Lobby. So this is peppermint, and it is so cute. This is going to be for the guest bathroom in the entryway of the home. And then also on my list for the guest bathroom, and you'll see in the Christmas house tour why I got this candle, but I wrote down that I needed a candle, and it needed to have some height to it. So I found this and knew that it was going to be absolutely perfect, and it's green too. So I'm trying to mimic the entryway, which there is a decorate video of the entryway, and the entryway has a snowy theme. So I wanted to bring that into the guest bathroom as well. And because of that, I wanted to make sure that the colors in the guest bathroom remain neutral. So meaning, for me, in the sense of the snowy, it's just like white and green. So I found this candle, thought it was perfect. It was $9.99. That's a pretty great price. And it smells divine. It smells like Christmas. It smells like pine. So this is going to be for that room. And then I was just looking through the rest of their candles. This is not a holiday candle, but when I tell you, and now that I'm pulling this out, I'm kicking myself for not getting the other ones that I loved. When I tell you this candle is magnificent, like that word isn't even strong enough. Oh my God, it's absolutely divine. It was $12.99, you guys, for this. Look at this. It's the size of my face, okay? But, oh, I got this for the kitchen. I have to go back and get more. That's it. That's what I got from HomeGoods.